In this video, I will show you a low-cost way to install walking platforms on your boat trailer. Let's get started. When fishing in small boats, 10 foot or less, you will most likely need a walking platform attached to your boat trailer to safely launch and load your boat in shallow water conditions without having to walk in the water, mud, or weeds. Almost every place I fish with my small boat, I have to use the walking platform to launch and load the boat. Here's an example of a paved boat ramp, but the water in the river is very low due to the lack of rain in the last several weeks. There are several large rocks exposed near the surface and 2 large rocks at the end of the boat ramp where you can't back up any further with the boat trailer. Many times I've had to walk all the way to the rear walking platform due to shallow water to launch the boat. I make the walking platforms out of a pair of 78-inch by 12-inch aluminum ramps. By making your own walking platforms, you will save a lot of money over buying pre-made platforms from a marine dealer. I put a link in the description below so you can view additional information or to purchase the ramps and hardware needed to complete the installation shown in this video. Mark the current location of the winch stand. Remove the winch stand. Measure the cutout for the keel roller. Mark the ramp. Cut on the mark. Grind to remove all sharp edges and loose metal. Mark the distance between the bolster brackets on the ramp end. Clamp the ramp to the work table. Cut on the mark. Grind to remove all sharp edges and loose metal. Remove the clamps. Measure the cutout for the winch stand. Line up the winch stand with the front mark you made on the trailer. Mark the outline of the stand on the ramp. Clamp the ramp to a work table. Mark the cutout location. Cut on the mark. Trim any uneven edges. Grind to remove all sharp edges and loose metal. Cut the ends of the ramp. Grind to remove all sharp edges and loose metal. Remove the clamps. Place the ramp on the trailer. Be sure to watch part 2. We will continue installing walking platforms on the trailer. Thanks for watching.